All right, this is to help with question 1 from the ACT assignment. And the deal is, one of the tricks to this one is the mean and the median have to be equal. And we have to figure out what is the fifth number. So the trick is when you put them in order, the median is the middle number. So if we were to add the fifth number here, say it was less than 8, then the median would be this 14, right? But what we'll find is no matter where we put it, the median has to be 14. So if I put it here, then we would have 5 numbers, and the middle number would be this 14 right here, right? So if we imagine that, say then it was, sorry if I can do this right, if we moved it here, it would have to be 14 because I have to go in numerical order. So the median there would still be 14. If we were to put it here, say it was like 15, then the median would be this 14 right here. And then if we moved it all the way to the end, the median would be that 14 right there. Okay, so basically we know the mean and the median have to be both 14. So mean is 14 and median is 14 because the median has to be 14. Since they're equal, the mean also has to be 14. Okay, so 5 numbers have a mean of 14. So we take the 5 numbers, their sum, divide it by 5. That's how you do the mean. That has to be 14. All right, so that means if we were to multiply both sides by 5, the sum must be 70. Okay, so these numbers have to add up to 70, so we could add them all up already. So this is 30, those two together are 30, these two together are 22, so all total that's 52, right? So if the sum is 70 and we already have 52, then the last number must be an 18. If we do 70 minus 52, means the last number must be 18. In that case, both the mean and median would be 14. All right, hope that clears it up. I kind of like that question. It makes you think a little bit.